Well, when I decided to restore this little machinist vise, it was really rusty and very funky and dirty, and I had to take it all apart. And that brought up the challenge of wanting to degrease it. And not having a degreaser, I was just going to use mineral spirits, but then I wanted to have the mineral spirits in some kind of container that would hold the parts of this vise. And what I came up with, quick solution, was to cut up a 1 gallon purified water bottle. Now I get these things and I have to use them for various purposes, a lot of it drinking and such, and so I have them. And one thing that's nice about them is they're kind of squarish, so they tend to be self-righting. But what I did was I cut this hole, and you can see where I just cut it along, keeping the sides full height and with this little curvature here. And I also kept the spout area with the cap. And what that allows me to do is to fill this as far as I want to with mineral spirits. And then when I'm done, as you can see, I poured it back out, and I keep the mineral spirits in a special container that's marked so that I can use this just for parts cleaning. But the beauty of this is after you're done, you take your parts out, you give it a time to settle, then you gently pour the remainder through the spout right into your container, leaving all the debris in the bottom, which now I could just clean up with a rag, and this container is ready to use again if I want. Or if I ever can't find it or throw it away, it's fairly simple to make a new one. To cut this, it's pretty tough plastic, so I would suggest that you not so much use a box cutter, because that could get out of control pretty quickly, especially through these ribs. But use a good pair of tight-fitting tin snips, and you'll find that that will cut through there very nicely. Wanted to share that with you as a quick parts cleaning tray that you can assemble really cheaply.